Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. A little different start, right? This base is hitting. I'm gonna attach it in the description bar and also probably like right here or something like that. Fenty, bitch, cute as the fuck. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in to another video. Today I'm gonna be giving you this purple pink cut crease moment. I saw it done on Instagram by Chloe Gibbons. I'm also going to tag her in the description box below. She's an amazing artist, and I saw this cut crease that she did, and I was like, I gotta do it. Like, I gotta body that for Valentine's Day. So here we are. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you know I can't start any eyeshadow look off without my PLouise base. This is the base number 2. And my handy dandy Too Faced mirror through thick and thin. This is like my trophy from my channel. Like, I don't do my makeup without this mirror. Like, I love it. All right, so we're prepped, we're primed, we're ready to go. So I am gonna be taking my Love Tahiti 3 palette. Well, Carnival 3 Love Tahiti. And I'm working with this beautiful section over here. I'm so excited. I love playing with purples and pinks. I feel like these are like my favorite shadows to reach for. So, what do we want to, how do we want to start this off, Erica? So we are going to start this off with the color Grape right here. Really pretty. And I'm taking this on a ColourPop brush. ColourPop, it doesn't have a number, but it's like a little flat dome-headed brush like that. And I'm packing this in the crease, and I'm going ahead and get my shape down. So I'm going to start off with a nice shape like that. So I'm tapping off any excess product on my brush, and now I'm just going in a little bit to go ahead and start fluffing out my edges, getting them nice and prepared for our next shadow moment. So what I like to do is I like to flip the brush over, and then we're just tickling the edges just so they're nice and soft and ready to be layered. All right, so I'm going to be using the 50-50 technique for this next shade, but that's like what I always do. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that or not. So the next color that I want to go in with is magenta right here. And I'm taking it on a slightly fluffier brush. And so with the 50-50 technique, I don't know if I've ever like really mentioned it. You take it halfway on this side and then halfway above it. And I'm also going to go ahead and take a little bit of magenta and start to really swing this bottom out a little bit. Just to about the tip of the brow. So about right here is about as far as I'm going to take that. All right, and now I'm going in with another softer pink to blow this out even more. So I'm taking, this is a Essence Eye Blender, and I'm taking a Pink Lily right here. And we're basically going to just do this again. And notice each time I go in with another blend that's closer towards my brow, I'm going in with a bigger, fluffier brush also, okay? So now I'm taking my PLouise Prime and Define You're Glowing like glitter base. And I'm just popping this on the back of my hand. It's like this white gold. Really pretty. I don't know if it's like gold or silver, but this is what I'm going to use. And I'm grabbing this little skinny head BBB41 brush, and I'm just going to work this out. Looks like that. So freaking pretty. So I'm just working this product all over the brush. I already know how I do with that. All right, so it looks like this now, my brush. We're just gonna go in and create our cut crease shape. Oh my god, it looks so good. All right, so now I'm taking my sample beauty palette, and I'm taking this metallic silver color right here called Silver Lining, and I'm not packing this all over my lid because I really want that PLouise base just to shine, but I'm just like, you know, blending any like areas that's, you know, just tapping it on there just for a little extra dimension, you know what I mean, like that. All right, so now I'm taking my PLouise MMMMITCHELL Acid Rain collection. This is the shade Ecstasy. It's this really dark indigo color. And I'm also going to grab another PLouise base. This one is the Vivid Violet. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, Vivid Violet. I was correct. I'll put a little of this back here also. All right, so now I'm going to take this top shade right here called Starlight. Oh, and that just did it. That did it, y'all. All right, so now I'm taking my Acid Rain brush collection, right? I haven't used these brushes in so long. They just sit there for good luck. And I'm just like, bitch, if you don't start using some of this stuff, so be ready to see a whole bunch of new videos, guys. So I'm taking the bent one, and I'm just dipping that base in there. And now we're ready to get us some lines going in that waterline. All right, guys, and this is the final look. I need to like mash my lashes together because you can like see where there's like glitter on my lashes, but you get it. You get what I'm giving, right? Oh, it looks good from the lower angle, y'all. A lot better from down here than I do like up there, but whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know why you enjoyed it. I'll be doing some more like really creative, colorful looks because this is just like my therapy and like my safe space. So yeah, I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Turn on your post notifications. I post every other day. Bye.